I want to play a game. I've been watching you for some time now. You're here because for too long, you have been putting off things you keep meaning to do. Now it's time for you to pay the ultimate price. The device you are wearing is hooked into your jaws. When it goes off, your mouth will be permanently opened. The game is simple. Match the correct keys to the correct locks to light up your row. Do this quicker than the two friends you'll be playing against, and you'll survive. Unfortunately, they won't. The clock is ticking. Unfortunately, your victory comes at a cost. A cost to your friends.